Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Salesforce Excellence. So in today's session, we are going to learn and understand how to create our own custom application. In the past few sessions, if you observe, we are working only on the standard applications which are available in Salesforce, right? Like sales, service, we have seen that. Now, in today's session, we are going to learn how to create our own custom application. Okay. So basically, what is an application? When there is a any kind of business requirement, we create an application to solve the problem by using any programming language, right? Java, .NET, any language. We create some application to address any kind of business problem, to create an application for reservation system, to create an application for student enrollment, to create an application for employees enrollment. Yes or no? Similarly, application from the Salesforce point of view also serves the same purpose, but the terminology will be different. So here, if we call as an application in Salesforce, it's a collection of objects, tabs, and some other functionalities which are combined together for a specific purpose. Okay, so it's kind of a structured way to interact with the Salesforce data and features. So there are different types of applications we have in Salesforce. Already you know standard applications and custom applications. Standard means which are pre-built, which are already available in Salesforce. For example, sales, service, marketing. Custom means for meeting your business needs, you create your own application. Okay. So here, and the third category was not discussed earlier, managed and unmanaged applications. So these are the applications which are installed from the Salesforce App Exchange. So I think you are hearing this for the first time. So here this Salesforce App Exchange is a Salesforce marketplace where the built-in applications are available. There you can go, you can log into App Exchange, and then you can download as per your requirement. Where there you can find applications which are for free, as well as you can purchase the applications. Okay. So coming to the point, what are the key components the Salesforce application will have? Already you know that objects, obviously, it can be standard or custom objects. And tabs, you have seen the tabs, because through tabs only we are able to access the objects, right? When you click on the account tab, actually we are interacting with the account object. Okay, these two already you are familiar. Other than these two, we are having other components like lightning components, which are used for a user interface, lightning components in Visual Force pages. This will be covered when you learn in the development part. Okay, this comes under development. Reports and dashboards we will learn as part of the admin only. Basically, these two things will help you to analyze and visualizing the data. Okay, so these are helpful for the managers who want to see what is the current status of my product in the market, how it is received by the people. So to see that, we are having reports and dashboards, which is also a component of an application. And apart from that, an application also contains the business logic, Apex, which is a programming language similar to Java, flows and process builder for automation purpose. Okay, so the last three, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bullets you can see. The last three bullets are related to development part. If you want to go for development, you have to learn, lightning components and business logic. These two are related to the development part. And the three, like objects, tabs, reports, and dashboards, these are related to administrator. Clear? Now, so for example, already you know that sales app is used by the sales team. So how they use this sales app, already you have seen. So the lead is automatically assigned to the salesperson based on territory, and a salesperson will play a key role in the sales app. He will call the lead, he will email them, conduct the meetings, and finally the lead will be converted to opportunity. He has to do the follow-up, and finally the deal will be closed. Once it is done, management can track the performance using dashboards and reports. This is a general or standard app which is available in Salesforce. Okay. Other than this, if you want to create your own custom application for your business requirement, how to do that? So this application I have taken. So the same example we will take to create and to demonstrate how to create a custom application. Okay. So this is not available in Salesforce. This we have to create. So what is this application? I want to create an app related to HR management, employee onboarding app. Whenever any employee is recruited by any company, there will be a process which is called as onboarding process. Okay, collecting his details, resume, and then so many other information the HR will collect. Okay, so to keep track of those documents and training sessions, all these things will create one app. The name we will be giving to that app is employee onboarding app. Okay, so let us start. Let us go to the Salesforce application and try to create this application. Okay, so don't forget the name of the application which we are going to create is employee onboarding app. Okay, so let us move to the this one. So here you can see already we are on which app? Can you please tell me? Sales app, right? So if you want to create to any app, then here you go to the setup, click on the setup. So here in the quick find box, type app manager. Okay, app manager. Okay, so click on the app manager, and then here you can see two options: new lightning app, new connected app. Okay, so here click on the new lightning app, and now you have to provide the details, app details, name of the app. Could you please try to uh, remind the name? Employee onboarding app. Okay, now just click on the tab. The same name will be taken by the taken for the developer name, and then if you want to give, it's always better to give some description. This app is for employee onboarding process. Okay, along with that, if you want to provide any kind of image to this application, you can provide the image. So already I have downloaded one sample image, so you can click on upload, and then that image I have stored somewhere here. Yes, this one. Okay, so this image will be appeared when you open the app. I'll show you. Okay, once these details are provided, click on the next button. Okay, so here in this button, in this page, you have to define the navigation style. Okay, so you don't have to change anything. Just follow the whatever the default options which are selected, and then click on next. So here you can add some kind of utility items, some kind of tools. If you want to have with your application, you can add. Okay, click on the add utility, and then whatever the utility items you want to have with your application. For example, you want to see recent items. Okay, basically utility items will appear on the bottom of your application. Okay, so add that utility item. Okay, uh, recent items, and then that's it. Next, and available items. So on your application, what are the available items you want? I just want to select only one item. account. Okay, you can read here to understand, right? Choose the items to include in the app. So I have selected only accounts, move it on the selected items list, and then next. And finally, this is very much important. Can you read this one? Choose the user profiles that can access this app. What do you mean by profile? If you have listened to my previous classes, at least you will understand a basic of profile means it is kind of settings and permissions that define what a user can do on Salesforce platform. Once a user login into Salesforce, what are the kind of activities he can perform? It is related to security. Okay. For example, if you have an organization, you will not allow anyone into your organization to enter, right? You will provide your employees with some kind of ID card. If you show the ID card, if he swipe the ID card, then only he can enter into your organization. Some kind of permissions and settings we have defined. Similarly, so if you have to define in this page which user can access this application. Okay, so these are the available profiles. If you select this particular profile like gold partner user, then only this profile or the users under this profile can only access this application. Remaining nobody will have the access. Okay, so basically, as you know that profiles will be created when profiles will be assigned when the user is created for the first time, because without profile user will not be there in Salesforce. Every user will be assigned some kind of profile, and profile will define the kind of settings what a user can do or what a user can see on the Salesforce platform. Okay, so as of now I'll select the system administrator, which is a high level user. And if I select this profile, what I'm telling, the only the system administrator can access this application. Okay, and once it is done, click on save and finish. You have to refresh this page, and then again click on the app launcher, view all, and type the name of your application, employee. Okay, can you see here, employee onboarding app? Click on that, and now you can see your own custom application is ready with a tab account object. Okay, so as you remember, this we have added while creating the application. Okay, so now you have learned how to create a custom application. In the next session, we are going to learn how to create a custom object and what are the standard fields which are available in the custom object, and which field I have to select based on my requirement, and how once the object is created, how to create the tab for that object and how to attach that tab to this custom application. Okay, that we are going to cover in the next session. Thank you very much.